So now we're going to place the flipper from the top left of the playfield. You can see the, well, not the flipper, there's the armature here. It actually broke off. Let's see, that's supposed to be connected to this right here. But it's not. Because it broke off. Oh, we'll get that out there and show you. Let me see if I can show you this with one hand. We got to remove this down here and take it off. I don't think that's the right size. So we got the right size in here. We'll just unscrew it. I had to give it a little starting twist first because it was very tight. I couldn't do it with one hand. So this loosens up. Yeah. I'm gonna have to use two hands for this. Okay, I was able to loosen that up. Take this off here. There we go. And now we can take this out, hopefully. Great. Now we will put a replacement in. So we got our replacement from Pinball Life. We'll go ahead and put that on there. Slide this guy in. We can. Hopefully we don't have to take. Looks like I'm gonna have to take this piece off. So we'll do that. Then I'll clean out the. While I'm at it, I'll put a new tube in there, insulation tube or sheath. So the bracket falls out. Let's go ahead and take this off. We're just going to replace. These have a sheath inside of here. Sometimes they get dirty and icky, and it stops things from moving as well. So I'll just push out this one. I think pretty clean, but I got new ones, so hopefully these are the right size. And they are. This goes in there, like so. Now we will insert so that goes like that. That goes like that. New plunger in there. Alright, I'm just going to screw it on here, and I'm going to have to take my hands off the phone while I do that. And I realized I had it reversed. It should be like this, so that the little metal thing hits the switches. Okay, so now we just got to push the flipper in from the back. Hopefully I can find the flipper. Push the flipper in. Oh no, we gotta screw this thing in first. Yeah, screw. There we go. Get that in there. Okay, got it screwed in now. Now we just gotta put the bolt on. The nut on. So I'm going to hand tighten this bolt here. Sorry. And then I'll just use the socket wrench to make sure it's nice and tight. We don't want that coming loose. And that should be good, hopefully. Maybe, maybe not. For some reason that's not going in, so let me loosen and try again. Alright, now it seems to be working. Let's fire it up and see. I just remembered I forgot an important part. Spring. See how that one here has a spring? I gotta put that spring on. I forgot. So I'll take it apart and do it again. Once the spring was added, it worked great. One other helpful tip. The first time you do anything, take lots of pictures and even video to refer back to, because you will forget where things go. And you don't want to have a bunch of parts and not remember how to put them back together.